everyone, I am Arunima. Welcome to my channel Artsy Arunima. In today's video, I will draw a half circle mandala with beautiful patterns. So if you enjoy the video, then do like, comment, share the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorial videos. So let's start the video. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook also. Links are given in the description box and also in the channel about section. If you enjoy the video, then do give it a like. Let me know your opinions in the comment section and share the video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorial videos. If you recreate any of my artwork, then don't forget to tag me on Instagram and Facebook while uploading them. I will be happy to give it a shout out. So here is the final look of the half circle mandala. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, then do give it a like, share your opinions in the comment section, share the video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell for more of such videos. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.